red marbles and blue marbles in a bag in the ratio of 3:4. And we know the total number of marbles are 42. And we know the ratio of red and blue is always 3:4. So if I have 3 red marbles and 4 blue marbles, then my total is 7, right? Then whatever may be the total, I always have the ratio in the form of 3:4 or in the multiples of 3 and 4, right? So you can consider at set of 3 and set of 4. So if I have one set, I have a total of 7. If I have 2 sets, then I will have 2 times of 3 red marbles. So the number of sets is x. X is number of sets. So we can say 3x plus 4x equals 42. Or 7 times x is 42. That means I have 6 sets. So what they're asking, how many marbles are red if I have a total of 42. I know I have 6 sets. If I have one set, I have 3 marbles. If I have 6 sets, then I have 3 times 6, which is 18. Got it?